Hey guys, what's going on? I am standing here in our showroom because it's pretty rainy outside. So I wanted to pick a unit that's all nice and dry and it's all lit up for you. This is the Montana High Country 331RL. It comes in weighing at 11,710 pounds with a length of 37 feet 4 inches. Now, before I get started giving you that outside tour, I would like to disclose, due to the manufacturer's request, we are not able to say the price. However, if you would like to know, leave a comment down below and we can private message you that. All right, so now getting started with the outside, you have your road armored pin box here. And then just up above is your patented hitch vision, so you can line up your tow vehicle with your pin box, so that's pretty nice. And trying to stand back, you have the amber accent lights here on your fiberglass front cap, which looks great. You have a little bit of storage space here just underneath your front cap. And then coming over to our non-camping side, try not to hit my head, we have this massive pass-through storage, but I wanted to show you all of your water hookups. So you have your exterior shower starting from the top, and it does come with a nozzle, so you have access to hot and cold water. Your multi-source signal controller for your key TV, water heater bypass, battery disconnect, city water connection, and this is also where you can open your black and gray tank. So now coming back over to our camping side, you have your two propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. Nice magnetic slam latch doors. And you have two power awnings because you have that slide out here on your camping side. Accent lights on both, so it looks really awesome at night. Bluetooth capable outside speakers. Friction hinge doors, so you don't have to worry about it slamming into your camper. You also have the oversized grab handle, so you can climb in and out and have that extra stability. Solid steps as well that fold into your camper. Again, this really takes the shaking out of the camper because they're nice and sturdy. So if you do have those small kids or pets running in and out of the camper, really awesome for that. Four Seasons living coach as well. And then coming towards the back, you have your rear ladder so you can climb up there and keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. And you are prepped for a rear observation camera as well if you would like to get that. So now let's take a look at the inside of this coach. All right, so coming all the way to the front in our master bedroom, king size bed, so very large. It does lift up for that extra storage underneath. I also love the accent lights. You can also kind of use that as a reading light. Turn one off, have the other one on if you would like, if your spouse is sleeping. Blackout roller shades all throughout the camper as well. And then you have shelving / nightstands on both sides too for your personal belongings. Outlets and USB ports are pretty much everywhere to charge your electronics. And then all the way at the front, behind this sliding mirrored door, is your wardrobe. So clothes rack extends all the way across, and you even have a shelf that goes all the way across too, but you have plenty of space for all of your belongings. Right next to that is more storage for your washer and dryer hookup, so you are prepped for that. Again, with the blackout roller shades. And then across from your bed, you have a huge dresser, two jumbo size drawers down below, and then a couple smaller ones up above. Countertop space too. You can use this for your picture frames or books like we have, or you can place a TV up here. If you'd rather have a TV hung up, you have all of your hookups and stuff for that too. So coming out into our hallway space, into our bathroom, the double vanity, which is my favorite. You can have a couple people get ready in the morning at the same time. Less arguments, to be honest. Storage is all down below beneath your sinks. Power back there if you need to plug something in. Storage in the middle of your medicine cabinets. And then you have your porcelain foot flush toilet. A lot of leg space too, so you're not knocking your knees on stuff. Couple hooks for your towels. And then your residential size sit-down shower, which is great for relaxing. 3-paneled sliding glass door with this really pretty seafoam beachy green color. Just behind your door, you have more storage for all of your towels and washcloths. You even have a skylight up above your shower, and then of course your vent fan. Coming out on our main portion of our camper, Connected to your steps, you have your built-in road vac system. So this is a feature that comes with about a 30-foot nozzle, and it's pretty much a built-in vacuum. So you can sweep up every square inch of this camper, even pull your tow vehicle up to your entrance and sweep that out too if you would like. Couple hooks behind this cabinet, and then just up above here is your control panel for your slide outs, your awnings, all of that type of stuff, not too far from your main entrance. And then coming into our living room and kitchen space, right next to your hallway steps, you have this coffee bar, breakfast bar, whatever you want to call it. It's just additional countertop space with a couple outlets for your small appliances. Storage is down below. And up above, you have 4 cabinets. And you even have some extra cubby space too, so if you can have your phones placed here, whatever you would like. Stainless steel residential size refrigerator. This thing is massive. These are solid surface countertops too, and just the white countertops in general look amazing. So coming into our stove space, 3 burners with the glass cover. Again, a couple outlets on either side to plug stuff in, plus some storage down below. And then there's your oven. Residential size microwave too. Again, stainless steel. All of your appliances are stainless steel here. More cabinet space up above and around. And then across from our stove, we have our gorgeous island with all of the storage down below. Here to my left is actually hidden trash can storage, so you don't have to smell your dirty trash can while you're trying to relax on vacation. 70-30 split stainless steel sink with the hard top matching covers for it, which I love. You can use this for extra countertop space if you'd like, chopping boards, whatever you want. Plus you have your spray nozzle. Across from our kitchen, we have our freestanding dinette, and it does extend out for some extra tabletop space if you need it for an intense family card game or just a big spread for your family dinners. And I believe, well, I thought these chairs had hidden storage underneath. I guess not. Very comfortable material. And the slide out flooring is not carpet. It's actually kind of like an outdoor rug material, so you can easily sweep up pet hair with that. Next to your dinette is your Thomas Paine Collection theater reclining seats, cup holders, plus some remote control storage. Also in this slide out, you have your tinted windows everywhere for some natural light coming in. So really awesome. And then coming towards the back, covering the back portion of our camper is our sleeper sofa. Very comfortable material, and it can sleep up to 2 people very comfortably as well. End tables / nightstands are on both sides for more decorations and personal belongings. Outlets and USB ports as well, and more cabinet space there. Across from your theater seats, you have your entertainment center, 30-inch electric fireplace, and this actually kicks off some heat. So if you are into late or early season camping, while it's still pretty chilly outside, you can kick that on and it feels great. Or during the summer, you can just have those pretty lights going. Behind the tinted glass is access to your outside and inside speakers, plus your radio, DVD, all that fun stuff. Swivel TV, cabinet space up above. And before forgetting, you have pantry space with the motion sensor light. So I know this is definitely on people's checklist for campers. There you have it, this 331RL Montana High Country. Like I said, if you would like to know the price, feel free to leave a comment down below and we can private message you that. Thanks again.